Hi, thanks for joining me today. I'm Scott, personal trainer and weight loss coach with Gradual.Fitness, and today I'm here to tell you to walk, not run. No, I'm not a teacher or a hall monitor. I'm just here to give you one of the best tips in weight loss, and that's walking. Now, the main reason I use walking as one of my main activities on days like today for a hike or just on my lunch breaks is that it's less impact on my body and I have bad knees, and many of us have ailments in our hips, ankles, legs, wherever it is that don't really allow us to run on a consistent basis, but we can walk. Regardless of whether you run or not for an exercise, walking is still one of the best exercises for your body, and your body almost craves it or needs it in the same way it does water. There's also just a rather long list of general health benefits for walking. First and foremost, it's great for cardiovascular health, helping to prevent strokes and heart disease. Helps with your digestion, creates stronger bones, and your overall mental health. Try it sometime at lunchtime when you're having a sluggish day and you see it's sunny out, or even if it's not sunny out, get out there, take a 20 to 30 minute walk. I bet your day will get a little bit better. And the other reason I love walks are that it helps me warm up for my short workouts and allows me to get the most out of them. Number one, it helps with perspiration. Number two, you're gonna burn calories quicker because you're already warmed up. And number three, you're gonna prevent injuries. I recommend once you've got your pattern and routine of walking in, to throw in some lower body and upper body exercises. These are gonna help build muscles, increase the calorie burn of the walk, and also warm you up for working out later if you choose to do a short workout. Now here's a few exercises to throw in. The first I would say are walking lunges. With the lunges, similar to doing them at home, you just want to take shoulder width strides, bending at the knee, one after another. I recommend setting a goal of a mailbox that's a third or a half a block down, something like that, to give yourself a marker to take lunges or any of these exercises until you reach them. Another one I recommend is just taking 2 or 3 steps and then doing a squat, come up, do another 2 or 3 steps and do a squat, holding your hands up above your head if you want to get a little bit more out of it. You can also add in arm curls or arm raises along with these squats and lunges. Now with the arms, one thing I recommend is just holding the arms up, keeping the neck neutral and down so you're not stressing it. You can also do short arm circles of 3 or 5 at a time, frontwards and backwards. There's also cactus arms where you raise your arms up like a T and just bring your hands down and up from the front. Make sure you're taking a lot of deep breaths while you're doing this so you're not straining your muscles and making yourself do extra work. You can also work on your back and your traps at different heights by going low, shoulder height, and then above shoulder height. Try to do 3 or more of these exercises every 10 to 15 minutes. By the 3rd or 4th exercise, you will definitely feel increased body heat, and this will also just begin to build muscles in your legs and your arms. Stay tuned for more weight loss tips and workouts, and also be easy on yourself and your expectations. These things will come to you, but adding in a walk is the best way to get yourself started or feel better on a daily basis.